How to connect Bluetooth headphones to Vizio TV. Are you tired of trying to watch your favorite show but the volume is just too loud for everyone else? It is so frustrating when you just want some peace and quiet, but you cannot get your headphones to work with your Vizio TV. Do not worry. I promise you can fix this issue yourself at home right now after watching this video. It is easier than you think. If you face any difficulty during this process, please leave a comment below. I will reply to you within 1 hour to help you out. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Tech Vibes for more helpful tech tips just like this one. First, let us check if your TV supports Bluetooth directly. Most newer Vizio SmartCast models have this feature built in. Grab your remote, go to Settings, then go to Audio. Look for an option that says Bluetooth headphones. If you see it, select it. Now, put your headphones into pairing mode. This is usually done by holding the power button for 5 seconds. Your headphones should appear on the TV screen. Select your device name. The TV will then say Connected. If your TV does not have a built-in option, you can use the Vizio mobile app. Download it on your phone and open it. Go to Settings in the app. Then go to TV Settings. Then select Bluetooth Audio to bridge your headphones. For older Vizio TVs, you will need a Bluetooth transmitter. This is a small device that plugs into the headphone jack. Plug the transmitter into the back of your TV, usually in the green audio out port or the optical port. Turn on the transmitter and put it in pairing mode. Do the same for your headphones. They will find each other automatically. Now, go to Settings, then go to Audio, then go to Speakers. Select Off so the sound only goes to your headphones. If it is still not working, make sure your TV firmware is up to date. Go to Settings, then go to System, then select Check for updates. Also, ensure your headphones are not connected to your phone or another device. Turn off Bluetooth on your phone while pairing. Try a power cycle. Unplug your Vizio TV from the wall for 60 seconds, then plug it back in and try again. As a last resort, go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Reset and Admin. Select Soft Reset to clear the cache. Keep your headphones within 10 feet of the TV during pairing. Once connected, you can move further away up to 30 feet. Test the volume using your headphones controls. You should now hear clear audio from your Vizio TV. Congratulations! You have successfully connected your headphones. Now you can enjoy your movies without disturbing anyone else. I hope this fixed your problem. Stay tuned for more easy tech solutions. I am your host from Tech Vibes. Have a great day.